Welcome back to Vital Creations. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up the Roku Voice Remote with TV controls and give you my full review. This remote is a game changer, especially if your current Roku remote doesn't let you control your TV's power or volume. Let's dive right in. First, what's in the box? The Roku Voice Remote has two AAA batteries, a quick start guide, and safety information. Setting up the Roku Voice Remote. Step 1 is to insert the batteries. Step 2, pairing with your Roku device. If your Roku don't automatically detect the remote, press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment for 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking. On your TV screen, you'll see a pairing remote message. The pairing process may take up to 30 seconds. Step 3 is to set up TV controls, powers, and volume. On your Roku home screen, go to Settings, Remotes and Devices. From the Remotes, go to the Voice Remotes and go to Setup Remote for TV control. Follow the on-screen instructions. Play the music test and answer if you can hear it, and confirm if the volume changes when prompted. Once done, your power and volume buttons should now control your TV. Testing and remote. Test out the power, volume, and mute buttons to make sure everything's working. Also, try using the voice button for quick commands like searching for shows or launching apps. Now to the full review. Is it worth it? It has pros and cons. Let's go first to the pros. It is easy setup, dedicated power and volume buttons, responsive voice controls. But when it comes to cons, it has a slight delay during pairing and requires compatible Roku devices. This remote adds convenience by letting you control both your Roku device and TV from a single remote. I'd highly recommend it for anyone who wants a more seamless Roku experience. Thank you for watching. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.